What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Celica 10 adventure. We're going to go ahead today and swap out some spark plugs on the Corolla XRS. These are what I'm using. These are OEM spark plugs. That's the part number. And as well as replacing the PVC valve on the 2ZZ and the PVC valve hose. Ordered that from Toyota as well. As you remember in my last video, I kind of ripped it. So I'm just going to replace it with a nice OEM piece. And yeah, should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and install it. Again, those are the parts I'm using for it. Again, PVC valve. The hose, it's called the N hose. And then the spark plugs I'm using OEM. I'm not going to gap them as they are pre-gapped from Denza as their OEM. Okay. Okay, everyone, so to get these off, you're going to remove four 10mm bolts, and then you're going to use a 5/8 socket for your spark plug. Okay? Okay, to remove the PVC valve, you're going to use a 19mm socket, and you're going to have to remove this hose too to kind of get some leverage, and then the 19 will go in and out just like that. Put your 19 on it. Take it out. I'm just replacing it since I am replacing that hose. I don't know, this might be original. 206K on this bad boy. Could still hear it, but I mean, it was only like $8 for the part. So yeah, let's go ahead and swap it in. All right, everyone, so that's pretty much it. Super easy, 19mm, put it on, then clamp right there, put your other stock one back on, and then another clamp there. 10mm, put those down, unclip them. Bam! Good to go. 206K, let's roll it again. Please like, subscribe for more videos of the Corolla XRS. 206K on this bad boy so far. Again, we replaced the spark plugs and PVC valve, as well as the tube right there for the PCV, as I kind of ripped it when I changed the lift bolts on my last video. But yeah. Does have an old school TRD intake or air filter on it too, and the TRD strut bar. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe for more content. Bye.